Senior man agreed to.
Senior man. Thank God, I've suffered. You can see. Oh wow, he's already sitting. Okay. What was that for?
Baba, no be handshake you ask for what I give you.
Uncle, I'm stretching hand for your CV. Let me have your CV.
I don't have CV. I don't get CV. The way I take come as I just did.
So what should I use as a reference?
Baba, if not, no worry. Now me can get my guy Pablo. Anything like now him be my CV. So no worry. If anything, I will just call him.
Hello.
So you are?
Baba, my name is Adi-Billionaire. You can call me Adi-Billionaire.
If you already have billions, why are you looking for a job?
Baba, just like my name said, Adi-Billionaire. I'm always doubling my hustle. I don't the hustle no be today. I be street boy. Ask my guy Pablo. Let me call him.
No, don't worry. It's okay. So tell me, what makes you a good candidate?
I've been working in Computer Village in Lagos for many years now. I've worked in 2 shops and I'm a phone dealer. I sell all kinds of phones. Anything we just get battery inside, Baba, I don't sell them. Good.
That's what I do for you.
You see, anything about marketing, forget I don't finish work. If you think I'm lying, ask my guy Pablo. I'm telling you.
So since you don't have a CV, how do I believe you?
Now, wow, why would I lie to you now? Since you know me, have I lied to you?
I just met you.
But Baba, since I said now, I don't lie to you. Have I ever lied? If you get doubt, I will call my guy Pablo. He will speak to you now.
So tell me, how good is your marketing skill?
Baba, no just go there. See, market na part of me. I dey sleep for market sometimes. I sell I sell phone, I sell laptop. If you see, even this your laptop, just give me 35 minutes. I don't sell them.
He shock you.
So how many years work experience do you have?
It's been long. Wait, may I ask Pablo? Hello, Pablo. How far? But I don't think me no pass that side now. Now waiting do me too now. Your kappa. No, I no deal with your kappa. You go ask steady. Ask steady. I tell you go deal with your kappa. Yes, now. I swear. Okay, now I'm gonna talk later now. I did for interview. I better get out of my phone. Bastard. Idiot fool. Pablo, that bastard.
You know what? I like you a lot. So what is going to happen is, you just go. We'll give you a call, okay?
Baba, you don't even have my number. Which kind of scope be that? I beg, I'm for call your phone, put my number. So if you get my number, go feel really call me. Wow. I don't be small picking again now. I don't be jump ball. My number with this.
Apart from marketing, what else can you do? Because we actually need a data analyst.
Yes, now. I good where I go. See, I good die. I dey tell you, if I lie, ask my guy Pablo.
See, any more statements about Pablo, you will leave this office. I don't know, do you think we're here to joke?
No, boss. See, when it comes to business, I don't joke. No stress. If it's like ask my guy Pablo.
Do have a wonderful day.
Baba, no wahala now. You don't try. You don't try. You don't try. You understand?
Everything Pablo. My phone, Tipo.
I hope you enjoyed that Romy video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.